Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you are good. For me, we are Kamsi, we are doing well. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Yeah guys, if this is your first time viewing this channel, you are highly welcome to our channel. In our channel, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed yet, please, after watching this video, if it really interests you, hey guy, please hit the subscription button, subscribe, and remember to leave the bell icon on. Yeah, in today's video, I want to share with you how I make a riro soup, Yoruba soup. So guys, let's get started.
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so long.
So the ingredients I will be using for this soup: red meat, Tatashe pepper, yellow pepper. You know, if you have watched other of our videos, you know that we don't joke with yellow pepper. Why? Because of the aroma it gives in the recipe. I have smoked fish. I've already washed everything. I have a dry combination of dry fish. This is stock fish, dry fish and dry shrimp. I like using it. So what I'm going to do for this shrimp, I'm going to soak it in hot water. I'm also using kponmu, sliced onion, shaki, local beans. I'm also using local beans, locally known as riro, and the spinach leaf. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to cook the shaki. I will cook it a bit. I will cook it a bit before adding other meat. So allow it to soften a bit. Now I will go ahead to slice the tatashe. Please guys, before you slice the tatashe, make sure you remove the seed, because that seed can alter the taste of your food. For the yellow pepper, I'm going to grind it with some onion. Now I will go ahead to slice the kponmu. I like slicing it very small. I like getting it small in the soup. You can decide to leave it big if you want. I prefer it small. Now the shaki is softened a bit. Now I have to add the meat. The stock fish, the kponmu, the chopped kponmu, onion, Then seasoning. Guys, I'm using this seasoning, crayfish seasoning. Salt to taste. Please be mindful when you're putting salt because of the seasoning carries salt. Now cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. I have to add the ground pepper. At this point, I have to add the smoked fish, dry fish, and the dry shrimps. Don't turn it so hard because of the fish. So allow it to boil for another 10 minutes. Yeah guys, this meat is done. Now I'm going to remove it and put another dry pot on heat. So in another pot, add red oil. Allow it to heat before adding sliced onion and the pepper. Now add the onion, the pepper, and stir. Now at this point, we're going to add the cooked meat, stockfish, and the smoked fish. Now stir it. At this point, I'm going to add crayfish and riro. Crayfish, the local beans, popularly known as riro, then seasoning. Stir it again. Don't mind the noises from my gas cooker. Now allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Yeah guys, after 3 minutes, add the spinach leaf. Just trying to be careful with the salt. Stir it again. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. You are good to go. You have made a delicious pot of a riro soup. Hey guys, the riro soup is ready. As you can see, that is coming out from it. This is freshly made. Do you like what you're seeing? Tell me, what are we going to use this soup with? Well, you can use the eba, fufu, semo, amala to enjoy this soup. Yeah, my people, if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Please remember to leave the bell icon on so that you will be the first to receive our new whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.